Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I customize my ear tabs. Now you guys ask me this question quite often in the comment section, so I decided to show you guys how I do it. So basically what I'm doing starting off is just tracing an outline of my ear. So I just want to do that to kind of make sure how much space I have in that area. Now once you kind of get all the hair out of the way and you're ready to go ahead and cut, I'm going to go kind of like a little bit of an angle and I'm going to start cutting, tracing the outline of my ear. Now once you've done this, guys, you'll probably end up cutting a little bit of the lace that's into the 13x6 wig, but that's fine. It'll all end up working out perfectly fine once you notice that it fits your head. So obviously, as you can see right here, this is the unit once I've cut the ear tabs to fit precisely, and obviously it fits perfectly. As you can see, my tattoo is not covered and it's present. Now this unit, you guys can see off the bat, it is bomb AF.
Belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
Guys, so in today's video I kept it very simple. So I only used one product. I used the Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray. Now it's gonna look a little bit cray in the beginning because it just looks like I'm loading up on some hairspray, but I do this because I want to make sure I have enough of the product to slick my sides and adhere this unit down. So once I went ahead and sprayed up a few times, let some sections dry up a little bit, go back and forth spraying, I will just go ahead and just put my headscarf down, guys, and wait about like 15 to 30 minutes, and I guarantee you the wig is staying down. So this is the finished look of this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. So I tried to slow the video down and kind of show you guys the products that I use, how I install and everything. So today's video is actually very simple. Now one key thing that I want to show you guys in this video is how to customize your ear tabs. So I did go ahead and show you guys step by step on how I cut it. It's very easy, guys. You just need to take your time when you're doing it so you don't mess it up. But when it comes to these units from Yswigs, it does come with these little tabs on it that make it easy when you're kind of customizing it. So that worked out for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just going to quickly show you guys the products that I use as far as adhering it down and the styling products. So I did use the Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray. All the links will be left down below. I used a couple sprays of this around the hairline, and that was it. I put the headscarf on immediately after and it stuck to my forehead like glue, guys. So this definitely worked. It's really easy to take this off, water, and you're good to go. Now I did wet the hair. I did not co-wash it, so I wet it with just regular water, and then I went in with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Now Argan Oil Styling Shine and Foaming Mousse. Sorry guys. So if you guys know me and been watching me for a while, I've used this product in the past. Now, my favorite curly hair product is the Cantu leave-in conditioner, guys. But this product for the look today, even if you're going for that like wet and wavy look, for today's look, this product really amplified my curls. My curls look really nice and defined, and it's not dry or anything like that. So it's nice, defined, and pretty, and it's still fluff. Now, this unit, guys, came to me, I believe, in like 180% density, guys, so it's definitely full. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. Now, like I say in all my videos, guys, key thing when it comes to styling curly hair, let it air dry and do not touch it. This is a key testimony of that. You guys can see how these curls look so unbothered and so pretty. So always put your product in and let it air dry and you'll be good to go. So all in all, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair review. I love this look. I know that the corona is around and a lot of our trips got canceled, but as soon, I got 2 trips already booked and planned. As soon as this lifts up, I'll be out and about and you guys will see me rocking this curly wig on my IG. So make sure you go follow me, guys. And that's basically it, guys. I will leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.